Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1 and we will tackle about human-computer interface and its influence to information security and assurance integrative programming. Before we start, let us first introduce ourselves. I am Marjorie S. Refe.
I'm Divine Laca de la Cruz Rabe.
I'm Julian Pantoja.
I'm Maria Shalaba Romeo.
I'm John Patrick Mickey Redondo.
And I'm Kim Bryant Joshua C. Año.
And to start our formal discussion, let us first define of what is human-computer interface for us to know the influence of it to information security and assurance and integrative programming. So, human-computer interface is what allows the user to communicate with computer and is often called simply the user interface. A well-designed interface will enhance the user experience, allowing the user to interact with software in a natural and intuitive way, and enabling them to perform the action they desire without difficulty.
So by that, thanks to its ability to positively impact the user experience, the UI has grown to become an integral component of a user-facing IT. But is a constant figure within the browser, its sustained presence has garnered the attention of hackers who can target you to a perpetrate cyber attacks or unauthorized access. So how can we solve this issue and how can we secure our information through user interface?
In that case, designers should make an ideal interface, which it is said to be simple to operate and safeguarded against attempt to steal users' private or confidential information. And delivering such a design is typically framed as a trade-off between usability and security.
Yes, it is right. So it means that if the interface is easy to use, your information is less secure. And if it is secure, it's more difficult to use.
This trade-off is a myth. We can design interfaces that are simple and secure without compromising the quality of either. That's why UX designers play a critical role by ensuring that both technical demands and user needs are met.
So, designers should make a system or application while dealing or reaching the technical demands and at the same time meet the user needs. That's why we need to apply strategies or methods that will help us to achieve system usability and security.
So now, let's come to the design methods for product and information security. The first implementing design method for information security is encryption. It is a method of converting sensitive information to a code that appears to be random. This means that no one can see the content of the messages. So when users know that their information is protected by such measures, they are much more willing to extend trust. Another one is authentication. This is the most effective way to secure digital products from unauthorized access.
Another one is data privacy. This is an ethical consideration for designers and businesses. When users trade their personal data in exchange for access to a digital product, they're choosing to believe that company that oversees the product will handle their information with integrity. They are also trusting that the features implemented by designers and developers are able to withstand data attacks.
Next is enhancing user privacy and data privacy. Most cybercrimes are carried out with the intent of obtaining users' personal data, but UX designer can help. How? By implementing features that encourage use- users to choose stronger passwords and avoid placing expensive personal detail online.
Another one remove unnecessary security obstacles, wherein designers need to consult with developers and cybersecurity professionals. If product security depends on incorporating all stakeholders, and your interface should also secure against social engineering. This is to protect from against phishing attacks.
If designers don't take precautions to guard their work and communications, attackers will find ways to infiltrate organizational weak points, so designers also need digital security too.
And the last one is design for security. Secure and usable interfaces don't happen by accident. They are the result of designers who take the time to identify points of data vulnerability and involve stakeholders early in the creative process.
And when designers find helpful ways to communicate the value of security and ensure safety features operate efficiently, users will reward the companies that oversee digital products with their trust and ongoing engagement. So, to wrap up our ideas and discussions, security in HCI or human computer interface pertains to information security and improve usability security features in the end user applications. Therefore, UI designers need to take the user's concern with regards to the system or application while dealing on how usable the system is. Users' concern is crucial in developing an applications because users can enter their information in an application. That's why interface designers create a system that will give an assurance to the users that their information can kept secured and safe. And now, let's jump into the next part of our topic, which Mr. Anyunevo will tackle about the definition of integrative programming.
Integrated programming deals with the integration approaches and technologies that connect different components of IT infrastructure, people, applications, platforms, and databases to enable a secure intra and inter-application collaboration.
And from that, integrative solution enable an organization to integrate business processes internally and externally with business partners to create dynamic environment that support current and evolving business requirement, thereby creating a global organization.
Application assist in unlimited sharing of data and businesses, processes among any connected applications or data sources in without making major changes to the applications or data structure.
Hence, integration is the process of connecting multiple independently developed applications using incompatible technologies into a single organization-wide system with information flowing seamlessly among the integrated systems or components.
Integration of multiple independently developed, managed and maintained application components that may normally used in compatible technologies and heterogeneous platforms enables transmission of information between applications, automates flow of data between applications that make up the business process flow.
So, integration is the process of combining separate applications into cooperating collections of application. To shorten, integrative programming examines the integration of system and application across global businesses, explore programming interfaces, data mapping, and exchange, scripting, and programming languages to support the configuration, maintenance, and integration and security of the system. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. We hope that you've learned something from us.